So in this journal, we're going to figure out how to find the area of the circles below using 3.14 as an approximation for pi, and then the formula that's given here, that the area A is equal to pi times the radius squared. That's what that little 2 means. It means you're going to square the radius, not multiply by 2, square it. So in each of these, first we're going to plug, we have our equation, and then we're going to plug in the numbers. So we have pi, which is 3.14. And then we have the radius, which is 5, right? The radius is 5. And we're actually going to square the radius, okay? So when we do that, when we square it, that means we're multiplying it by itself. So 5 squared equals 5 times 5. 10 squared is 10 times 10. 2 squared is 2 times 2. 9 squared, 9 times 9. So you multiply it by itself twice. So first we're going to square 5, which is just 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's our value for 5 squared. So we can actually get rid of that. So 3.14, we're going to plug into our calculator, times 25 equals 78. So the area equals 78.5. And in this one, I'm going to do a couple steps at once. I'm going to first plug everything in, and then I'm going to calculate it. So pi is 3.14 times the radius squared. That's 2 squared, right? The radius is 2 to the second power, or 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, so I can go ahead and get rid of that. So now I just plug this into the calculator, 3.14 times 4, and I get 12.56. The last one here, first on the side, I am going to do 9 squared, okay, because the radius squared, right, radius squared, we're going to do that over here, equals 9 to the second power. This is hard to do. No, because I had to find this little superscript. 9 to the second power is what it's saying. Now, okay, that's 9 squared. Sorry. The radius squared is the same. Plug it in, is 9 squared. 9 squared is 9 times 9, right? Which would be 9 times 9 equals 81. You can double check that. 9 times 9 is 81, so that's 9 squared. 9 times 9 equals 81. Now, let's go ahead and finish by plugging in our numbers. A equals pi, which is 3.14, times the radius squared, which was 81. I always seem to make these videos when the bell is ringing. So 3.14 times 81 is, it's a really large number. The area equals 254.34. And that is how you find the area of the circles.